Hey guys, Andy here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your car's air filter using the K&N Recharge Kit that you can get at Walmart, Amazon, or pretty much any auto parts store for about $12, $13. And so this is just going to help clean your air intake out. Usually get bugs or after some mileage. K&N recommends every 30 to 50,000 miles for it. But it's been about maybe 15,000 miles since I put this intake on. I just figured it'd be a good thing to do. Get some of that dirt out, so let's get to it. So the first step in the cleaning process is you're going to want to take your cleaner that they give you, and you're just going to take it, start spraying it. Make sure you put a thorough amount over it. Do overlapping passes with it. And make sure to let it sit for a good 10-15 minutes once you apply all of it, to make sure that it starts working into the filter and starts loosening up all that dirt that's there. And then we'll move on to the next step. So now you're going to want to take your filter, put it in the sink, and we're going to start rinsing it down. You're going to want to go from the inside out so that dirt that is on the outside doesn't go back in, obviously. So we're going to start spraying this down. You can use just the sprayer that comes down from this or some sort of like pressure spray that you can use right here. Either way, whatever works, just make sure you get it nice and thoroughly done. So now that you finish rinsing it off, what you're going to want to do is let it dry for a little while. You can let it air dry. That'll take a couple of hours, or you can have like a fan to dry it. That should take 30-45 minutes-ish. Make sure it's completely dry, that there's no water in it, and then we'll move on to the next process of oiling it. So just finished up drying off the filter. It took about 40-45 minutes next to the fan, but now we're going to oil the filter. Make sure you have thorough passes over it. Don't oversaturate it so that it doesn't clog up the filter, but make sure to put enough on it that it is lubricated and ready to roll. Just finished up oiling the filter. Looks really good. Would highly suggest doing this if your car's air filter is getting dirty. It's not that hard to do, just a couple of steps. Takes maybe an hour and a half to do the entire thing, but yeah, so at this point you can put the filter back in your car, let it sit for a few minutes, get the oil in those fibers, and then you can go for a drive. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again.